10-minute quick yogurt flatbread, and yeah, I'm absolutely drenching it in garlic butter. You can use these for lots of things. You'll see here I'm doing a wrap, which I will give you the details on later on after I've shown you how to make the flatbreads. But this is a great way of learning how to make flatbread without any yeast. Can be used for curries, for dips, you name it. It's delicious. Well, let's get cracking because I know you're going to want to know how to make this. First off, you're going to need around about 280 grams of self-raising flour and 250 grams of Greek yogurt. You want to pop that in a bowl and then you're just going to mix it all together. Then you might just need to knead it a little bit, but that's the beauty of this flatbread. It really doesn't need a lot of work. Just place it on a floured surface and then you're going to cut into 4. This is if you want 4 large flatbreads. If you want smaller, just cut the portion smaller. Roll them out and then put them in a hot, dry pan. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes on both sides and you'll see they'll just puff up and look absolutely delicious. But I know what makes them nicer, some good old garlic butter. So 50 grams of butter in a pan just melted and 1 to 2 garlic cloves. I do like my garlic. So don't be shy, just brush it all over the top and it really is lovely just as it is. So you can use it, as I say, into curries, mop up that sauce and with dips and things like that. But I wanted to show you a healthier wrap version. So I got 150 grams of frozen roasted vegetables. I did add in extra onion and then I placed it in the oven for around about 20 to 25 minutes on 180 degrees centigrade fan. I also decided that I was going to use some chicken, and so I just heated that off, and then it was a decision, do I go Sriracha mayo or garlic mayo? It was a tough choice, but I chose Sriracha. Again, 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and then it was adding in a tablespoon of Sriracha sauce. You don't have to add this if you want it super healthy, but it is nice. Anyway, if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go by now. It's my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.